Hello everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Rotrack. Today with us we have such pillars who have laid the foundation of what Rotrack District 3141 is for us today. So hi guys.
Hi.
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 Hope you all are doing great. But before we begin the session, just to give you all a heads up, even though we have curated the questions, we have also got the questions from our dear council members, that is from the directors as well. So yes, stay tuned. These questions are completely anonymous. Even we don't know who has asked which question. So if you all wish to guess, then surely you can go ahead.
Okay, so my first question is a common question for everybody. What's your feeling like right now having such an amazing bunch of directors under you and your respective avenues? How was it working with them?
I don't have a specific feeling. I'm just grateful that or at least my core team has survived everything. Nobody dropped off in the middle of the year, no education commitments. And yeah, I think we're at peace now. I think that sums it up.
So it has been sleepless working with my team. So yeah, that's it. That we don't sleep anymore. So. But good, great.
Yeah, for my team, yeah, it was really great. तीनों जन ने बहुत अच्छे से पूरा finances में help किया है. So yeah, that's great. Yeah.
I think same goes for me as well. I think the year has been really nice with all my four team members, and I think I've enjoyed with them as well, especially working procedures and arguments as well, debate on silly topics as well. So I think the year has been great.
Yeah, for my team, it's been a great year. Roller coaster ride from doing events, not doing events, canceling it. But yes, overall, it's a fun journey till today.
With my team, it was very good, with full of follow-ups and all. Both the teams were good, and still we are working on it. Few things going good.
My team is still wanting to do projects like MIPS, HUA, social entrepreneurship. They still want to do projects. They are like dates they was.
We had an amazing journey with Team Promo, and I think most of us recognize Team Promo in much better way now. We had adopted few new techniques this year, and which has been really successfully running. And because I am the promo for next year as well, we are already taking over or whatever the leftover associations are for the next year. And I'm lucky enough to get amazing year this year as well.
Okay, so with me, so my story is a little bit different. So the people I wanted in my team didn't want me, and we five of us landed together, looking at each other's faces कि हाँ अब इनके साथ भी काम करना पड़ेगा, यही मेरी team है. But yeah, I think it's been a really amazing journey, and for me and my team especially, I think the entire team including me understands that we try to maintain the Rotract work and life balance. We know how to work and how to party. So whatever we do, whenever we do, we're best at it. And also I connect to each of them individually, but not as a team, but individually I connect to all of them. So that's a great thing about them.
Really amazing to hear that, it has gone well until now. So my next question is for Ojas. So when it came to forming a core team for your year, what all qualities did you look forward, as they are the ones who are going to head different avenues?
I don't think there's one quality fits all. I think there are different things. In fact, if I think about it now, not every person who's holding the designation now, they were not meant for this role. They were in reckoning, but they were all meant for different roles. I think bearing a couple of people, I think I was very clear about, I think Sruchi and Simran were very clear in my head that I wanted this, right from Bharat to everyone else. Everyone's moved different, and Mohit rightly said, right? For him also, it's been something which has been a challenge that he's taken up. So in terms of quality, I think the main thing I look for is commitment and to get the job done. I'm someone who believes that you should get the job done irrespective of whatever challenges are faced. And I think everyone has surpassed this. Maybe someday you can listen to each one's story, and everyone has a personal story to share. And I think they've all had their tough moments with family, with work, some with being hospitalized, to various things, right? And like today, all of us, touch wood, are still healthy, wealthy, and raring to go for the upcoming years as well. So I think from that perspective, I think grit is the right word, if I have to say, for everyone.
Great that you all have stuck till the end. My other question for you is, if you had to name a few people you'd still be in touch from Rotaract in next 10 years, who would it be from these people?
See, my rapport with everyone, like individual rapport is very different. So what a rapport I would have with a Sruchi would be very different from what I have with an Avni. And what rapport started off with Bharat is very different today. So I think from that perspective, I think I'd like to stay connected to everyone. I always say that for me, it's not really about whether everyone's a friend or not. I like to stay connected. And I'm the type of person, if someone reaches out, I think at least my core team and council I can vouch for, and even my presidents I can vouch for that these 250 people are there. I think if they ever reach out to me for anything, even if the silliest of things, I'll probably go and 10 extra steps for them. I think, I don't know. I think it comes with responsibility, but I think it's a feeling that every DRR goes through, and that will always remain. So that's not going to change for me, whether the year gets over or not.
That's really wonderful. So moving on to Bharat now. So how complicated did the things turn out to be for you this year when it came to managing finances, especially keeping the host clubs in mind and the current situation?
Okay, so in the start, when we discuss about the host club, Ojas and myself, that time we thought, क्या कैसे करेंगे? मतलब अभी पैसा तो चाहिए, ठीक है? And to run the district, obviously we need money, okay? And to pitch the host club is not easy this year because of the COVID and circumstances. But we came up with the solution of refund policy this year. This is the first time we started something kind of refund policy. So that worked very well, and we are in the good financial position as of now itself. Okay, so that's a really great, and obviously I'm from the CA background plus I'm Gujarati, तो पैसा बहुत कम यूज करने दिया है मैंने साल में, ठीक है? मतलब बहुत छोटा छोटा चीजें देख के मैंने यूज करने दिया है, so बहुत पैसा हम लोग ने बचाया ये साल. So that's really nice, that we are saving money and cost wise and everything अच्छे से जा रहा है ये साल. So that's a great thing.
So moving on, so this is a very particular question asked from a council member. एकदम लिख के भेजा है पूरा proper. If you had to give the following titles to people from council, who would it be?
मेरे साथ ही होता है. मतलब हर टाइम मेरे साथ ही ये करवाते लोग.
Okay, तो पहला वाला is Mr. or Miss Perfectionist.
Perfectionist. काउंसिल में से बोलना है या फिर
काउंसिल में से?
काउंसिल में से सब मिला के.
I will say Vinita, ठीक है? Vinita is the one who is a very much perfectionist in the work wise. Okay.
Next, second question, Mr. or Miss Tip Top, the best dressed.
Tip Top. टीचा ले लो यार, ठीक है? बुरा
मैंने तो पहले से सोच कर रखा था ये आंसर रिचा रहेगा.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया तो बुरा मान जाएगी फिर. तो यार रिचा डन.
The third one is G for genius. Who would that be?
Genius.
Smart.
Okay. I कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो तुम लोग?
उसका नाम मत लेना.
ये काउंसिल से आया है.
एक्चुअली लेने वाला था. मैं एक्चुअली लेने वाला था जीनियस में मेरा नाम, ठीक है?
Ojas, I agree.
ठीक है. Oh, TikTok. Oh, I think genius must be Miloni. I can say, she's a genius. I feel.
Okay. The fourth one is Mr. or Miss Raika Pahad, that makes a huge fuss about small issues.
ये सिमरन हो सकती है क्या?
ऐसे बोल.
I just saw this coming, पर council से बोलना है, I'm guessing.
Score से पता है हमें अभी कौन है.
Yeah, actually. So.
मिस्टर भी हो सकता है, सब मिस होना जरूरी नहीं है.
हाँ, पर मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार कि राइका पहाड़ कौन बनाता होगा.
राहुल सिर्फ मिस पे ध्यान देता है आजकल.
चलो राहुल बनाता होगा. राहुल सॉरी.
वो भारत डिप्लोमेट.
हाँ. So the last one, Mr. or Miss Abel Mujemar, the one that invites the problems.
ये सब रोया कौन है काउंसिल में सबसे ज्यादा? वो बता दो. Okay, Anisha बोल रही है something. Shri Gauri. Anisha action कर रही है मुझे. Shri Gauri, Shri Gauri, Shri Gauri. So yeah, let's go ahead with Shri Gauri.
मुझे तो ना बोल रहा उसने ऐसा मिला नहीं. So coming to Simran now, being a district Rotaract secretary for almost a year now, one thing which you wished it would happen this year if the pandemic wouldn't have been there.
Saturday animation. We all remember. So Animesh and I had an idea. Lockdown mein, there are two things, okay, that we worked on. One was Saturday. I think the core is also familiar. हमने pitch किया, फिर हम लोग क्या reject हुए. दूसरा was council scoreboard. So we had a nice as a gamified thing sort of made with Animesh again, and but it could not take up because the parameters were not really online supportive. So these are the two things which I wish.
Sad. Okay. ये जो next question है, ये श्री गौरी का demand है after listening to Zakir. So सुना है कि आप नाला सोपारा से सायन तक सिर्फ सैलड खाने आए थे एक बार, तो आप बता सकते हैं इस सैलड में इतनी क्या खासियत और इसके पीछे क्या राज है? ये श्री गौरी का क्वेश्चन है.
Zakir is mixing girls, I think. It's not. I remember this. Ojas and I were sitting in Cafe Ista. Zakir comes, orders a salad for somebody to take away, okay? And we asked him, "Ye kiske liye?" It wasn't.
So now moving on to Animesh, how difficult was it for you to manage two such avenues this year who had the essence only because of the on-ground projects?
See, it was not that difficult for me to manage because I had some amazing directors who could convert those events into online stuff. So that way it was easy. Plus, we had the support of the entire core team who could understand how the things are happening and how we can get adapted. So luckily, so overall, it was happy. But yes, if you ask me as a chairman, we still wanted to do Red and Rice someday. So hopefully next year I can just try to get into the team of organizing team and do it.
Okay, this was a request from council members that if given a chance to select by yourself that which two avenues you had to look after, then what would those two be? And you can't choose obviously these two and zones also.
Oh. Then, okay, now you have made it more easy for me. It would be PD and PIS.
Okay, okay. So moving on to the next question. This is for Avni. So IDY, Jashne 3141 are such projects that the entire district awaits for. But this year it couldn't happen because of the pandemic. So how was it for you to change the entire plan and restructure the entire year?
Oh, IDY and Jashne 3141 are the main thing for IS. And ये साल नहीं हो पाया, but we tried to do online with the help of Project Jamboree. It was a very great event, and it ISG का थोड़ा उसने level कम कर दिया.
That's great to hear. So Anisha, next question.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, this question is also from a council member, director. Did you like 2021 year with regard to traveling as it decreased your traveling in Rotaract?
I think I like traveling more than doing online things.
So coming to Bhagyashree now, from handling avenues such as community service, which was very dear to you all this while, to now looking after the enrichment of the Rotaractors out there, to avenues such as PD and ED, how was the year for you like?
So if I tell you, I am professional in my life, personal life also. If I go to college, I am like a college girl. If I go to a professional office, I'll be more of a professional there. And in Rotaract also, it is मतलब थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे only. So in confused say कि अभी तक community service किया and all of a sudden I have EDPD in my hand. So here also we are more of like doing ComServe projects. If you go to Guru, Guru में also we did that volunteer वाला project. It was ComServe related. Now तो वो ComServe कभी छूटेगा नहीं. ComServe will always be with me.
Understood that point. Great to see that ComServe has also paved your way into PD and ED also. The question for you from directors is that pick one director from each of your avenues who have annoyed you the most, and tell us any incident that you want to share.
Okay, each of my avenue I would say from PD, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा परेशान मुझे PD वालों ने ही किया है. तो PD में नवनीत, he just calls me up randomly कभी भी and stories चालू कर देते. मैं यहाँ पे कैंप पे गया था, यहाँ पे मैंने ये किया वो किया, the stories never end. ठीक है. Then हुसैन की आज इससे कॉल पे बात हुई, उससे कॉल पे बात हुई, ये करे सेशन की वो करे, that keeps on. Then Vedant is there, he is like ये association है, इसके साथ करते हैं उसके साथ करते हैं. निराली इज ऑल द मोस्ट कि मुझे ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. तो दिस पीडी. ईडी में मतलब प्रांजल इज थोड़ा सा साइलेंट पर्सन. राघव इनिशियली ही वाज लाइक कि ही वांटेड टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. तो मतलब ही वाज सो एंथुसियास्टिक टू डू एवरी प्रोजेक्ट. मतलब ही इज लाइक अरे मैं ये भी करूँ कि वो भी करूँ. Then Rachel, she is like कि तू उसको जो भी देगी ना, she'll do the mark. Anisha is कि उसको हर एक का क्वेश्चन का आंसर पता होना चाहिए कि you are giving this to me, I need to know this in detail. Each and every person has some or the other annoying thing in them.
So in short, you're saying कि all your members annoy you somewhat.
Bhagyashi is just smart, guys. Bhagyashi is just smart. सबका नाम ले लिया उसने इसलिए.
एक का नाम नहीं लेके सबका बोल दिया उसने. Understood that obviously.
True story. Only Bhagyashi knows the real pain. But
so my next question is for Suchi. Everyone considers that you are a superwoman as you're managing your personal life, your job, even your baby. And at the same time, you have brought in so many associations for the district this year. So what's your secret recipe for having so much amount of energy and you know managing so many different things at once?
Secret of energy is nothing. It's just determination and passion for Rotaract that keeps me going, keeps me I keep on thinking at the back of my mind that what is the possibility. More of I have myself a dream of creating more and more leaders in Rotaract, and that is what I'm trying to do.
Okay, so as you mentioned, the next question is regarding this only. So you said that you have so much passion and determination, and it's been a long time that you're in Rotaract. Are you planning to become the DRR for Rotaract District 3141?
As Ojas is very much aware of, agar mujhe DRR karna hota na, then I would have really applied way earlier. But my major issues, as you all know, I have personal high commitments. So two main things that I had mentioned Ojas on day one is attending installations and attending OCVs is something you don't expect from me. I can do whole lot of work, whatever is required. But I definitely wish to attend OCVs and revert them with in case they have any queries or guide them wherever they need. But yeah, taking out time especially for attending this thing is not my cup of tea.
So next question is for Mohit, as you are the youngest amongst everyone. So did you ever face the complex that you know सब लोग मेरे से elder है यहाँ पे and मैं कैसे manage कर सकता हूँ इन सबके सामने?
No, I mean honestly ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हुआ है. So for the last 5-6 years, so the bunch of people I'm working with here, for the last at least 3-4 years I've been working with them and I know them. And most probably, I'm assuming Sabka Rotaract age and my Rotaract age is almost same. I mean, Bharat, Ojas definitely go way back than me. But a lot of people have started their Rotaract journey with me, progressed their growth with me. So I don't know. I mean, aisa kabhi hua nahi hai. It's never been that chote bachche wala feeling for me. But yeah, I mean, there is a small kid inside me. I obviously agree. And I try to show it out at sometimes in the core team, but chalta hai. I agree.
If I think 21, the age Mohit is core team, I joined Rotaract. So I was like, kar kya raha tha itna sa? Mohit is 5-6 years ahead of me ki 15 pe join kar. Smart decision kar.
Same year, I also joined Rotaract journey quite late, I feel.
So the next question is for Zakir. Which avenue did you enjoy handling the most out of all the different avenues under digital media? Is it social media, editorial, media production, or else digital communication?
See, since the day one I joined Rotaract, I never wanted digital communication. I didn't know why my club president put me in digital communication. I told him that मुझे नहीं चाहिए digital, मुझे editorial दे दे या comms दे दे मुझे चलेगा. But no, again they put me in Digicom only. Then I applied for this thing, council in homes here. And my luck was bad. Bharat was there for my interview. I still told him my priority was editorial, ComSub and DG. But again, he gave me DG. Okay, so I never enjoyed working in digital communication because that was not my first priority. I always wanted editorial itself because my comfort and my plus point is in that. Because I write poetry, I write articles and all that since from the start, so I always wanted that.
Okay, next question for you is, have you ever played a prank on someone in the name of giving them warning or with regards to the behavior?
It was in lockdown start, so I think Maniam was not reverting for our messages or calls. So I just called and told her that Ojas is very angry with your behavior. He told me that इसका देख ले क्या करना है. अगर वो रिवर्ट करती है, कॉल नहीं उठा रही है, तो उसको वार्निंग लेटर भेज दे. And next
ओजस पे नाम डाला है.
तो टर्मिनेट कर दे उसको. At the moment I typed terminate कर दे, she called me. कह रहे अरे क्या हुआ? अरे I was busy, मेरा फोन बैटरी डाउन था, इससे मैं कॉल नहीं कर पाई.
We will move on to the next segment, that is the game part. We will be playing the most famous game, Never Have I Ever. We will be giving you situations which revolve around Rotaract, and you will have to show your placard, say if you have done it or if you have not done it.
So the first situation is, never have I ever been tired because of Rotarians' endless demands and sets of instruction in order to follow.
Majorities I have.
जिसने तो पूरा ऐसा स्क्रीन ही कवर कर लिया कि भाई मेरे साथ हुआ है.
हो गया, बस हो गया भाई मेरे को. The next question is, never have I ever felt lazy to work and gave reasons to not address certain matters. I don't think. Oh, Zakir says yes. Animesh ulta hai. Oh, given. Okay, मैंने नहीं expect किया था ये.
The next question is, never have I ever tried of playing a prank on a director.
सबने किया है. Ojas, you have never.
हॉबी है भाई, हॉबी है.
हाँ.
नहीं आता है मेरे को, प्रैंक का डिपार्टमेंट नहीं आता है तो.
Okay. Next one is, never have I ever got tired and said I'm done with Rotaract. At some point.
All day, every day.
Every quarter.
Never. Okay.
DRS बनने के बाद I think कभी लगता है ऐसे. लगता है खाली.
हाँ. Obviously.
Yeah. ठीक है. So the last question is, never have I ever planned a meeting for discussing projects and other plans at Trilok Restaurant, Matuga.
So with this, we come towards the end of the session. You all have been a great pillar for Rotaract District 3141 this year. The whole of the council members, really thank you for all your support you have given to them as a core team. We really thank you for all your dedication and determination. With this, we come to the end. Thank you for coming, and for all the viewers, thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.